Hello, Sensei Cisco here, and today we're actually doing a kind of a special video. Now behind me, I'm sitting in my home office. You'll notice there's a lot of clutter behind me, and as many of you know, I've had to reallocate our dining room into our training space for the live stream videos we've been doing for all of our members. And well, the dining room had to go somewhere, so it is being packed into the back space of my office here. But the purpose of today's video, as you probably saw from the title, is how to make your own face mask. There's many places doing this. There's a lot of little crafting locations online that are sort of making their own, then distributing those out. I've seen a lot of folks even making large surpluses to donate to their local hospitals and care centers just to help combat this pandemic and come together as a community. But not all of us are that crafty. In fact, some of us can't do crafts at all. I like to think of myself as a little crafty. I have a couple different art projects that I do, but when it comes to making your own face mask, I don't have a sewing kit. I have a little patch kit that I use for repairing small tears in uniforms or things like that, but nothing like a main sewing machine. So making my own face mask doesn't work so well. But I did find a way to do it back when I was a little kid, and that was creating ninja masks. So what we're going to do is take a normal t-shirt, and using a very simple tie, we can make a full face shield using a t-shirt. Now you can do this with a long sleeve shirt too and create some tassels, but a short sleeve will do just fine. So what I've done is I went out, just right in my drawers, grabbed a t-shirt from inside. This one's just a plain red. And if you want to grab one that has a design to it, by all means, what I would recommend is taking that front face design wherever you'd like and flip that backwards so that it will be facing up on top of your dome, because if you place it forward, it might curl underneath the creases on your chin. But you'll see how that works momentarily. Now the first thing you want to do is, of course, open up your shirt. Get it nice and wide, and then lay it down flat in front of you. This way I can grab the bottom, and I'm just going to put it on like I would a normal t-shirt. Roll it up, throw it over my head, so the sleeves are off on the sides. I'm set. Now taking that little neck hole, I'm going to bring it up to my nose and over my ears. Now you don't necessarily have to put it over your ears, but I find the ears help keep it in place and keep it from sliding down. You may need to tug it down just a little bit so it doesn't pinch into your eyes. Then we're going to take those sleeves, bring them around the back, and just make a little knot, holding it in and cinching shut. And there you go, a good old standard sort of shinobi style t-shirt mask. Now, if we want to take this up the next level and really go ninja with it, I'm going to undo the sleeves and actually pull the neck all the way around to the front. It's not going to look in the middle. Now, you'll notice the sleeves actually have a little seam here. This runs along where your shoulders would be. I'm going to grab on both sides where that seam is and pull top. So I have a little peek hole. I'm then going to take that, pull it back, then grab the sleeves and continue to pull this tight. So now it's going to cover my head. And then the same thing in the back. Roll and pull into a nice tight knot. This should be on the back of your head. This is where I was saying if you had a long sleeve shirt, these tassels would then hang down. Could look pretty cool. But from here, kind of looks goofy. So what I'm going to do is adjust it a little bit. Get my symbol lined up to the center so it looks nice. And these little side tassels, I'm going to fold in and down. That way they're both looking the same on either side. I can pull down the forehead a little bit, get everything angled up the way I want it, and we have ourselves a nice, simple, at-home ninja mask. Now, as from what I've been reading online, This will not do as well as, say, a surgical mask or construction or things that are meant to sort of ventilate and create a stronger barrier between your respiratory system and the rest of the world. But a lot of our state governors and CDCs have been recommending that we create at-home face masks, as this will at least prevent initial contact. Say if you're speaking to somebody and they sneeze or cough, this will at least catch the major particulates, which you can then pull off, and now all that danger is off to the side, away from you. But that is it. Very simple ninja mask. It will mess up your hair, so just like any other hat, yeah, you gotta live with it. But ultimately, that is it. Ninja masks are easy to make. You can use any t-shirt so long as it fits you. It will wrap around and tie closed. I hope this helped everybody out and you have some fun playing with it, even using this for, come Halloween time. I know when I was a kid, I'd make a ninja mask as a really cheap Halloween costume, wear all black, and I was a ninja for Halloween if my original costume got damaged or dirty. But hope this helped. Stay strong out there. I miss all of my students very, very much. I'm going absolutely stir crazy, stuck at home. So I'm hoping you're enjoying these live streams. I'm hoping that this sort of content is a benefit to you as well. And I will look forward to seeing you all sometime in hopefully the near future. But stay strong, stay healthy, stay fit, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.